This time we're supposed to raise the complex number expressed in trigonometric form to the second power. Again, we're supposed to convert trigonometric form to polar form, which is equal 5.5 an angle of negative 35 degrees. Everything is raised to the second power. I have to raise the magnitude to the second power and multiply the angle by the power according to the given theorem. So I have 5.5 to the second power, and I have 2 times negative 35 degrees. 5.5 to the second power is equal to 0.25. And I have angle 2 times negative 35 is equal to negative 70 degrees. So this is my answer in polar form. But the original problem was expressed in trigonometric form. So what I'm supposed to do, I'm supposed to convert polar form to the trigonometric form. So I have 0.25, open parenthesis, cosine of angle negative 70 degrees, plus j, sine of angle negative 70 degrees. And this is the solution to my problem.